Jonathan, and I had a hair transplant yesterday with Dr. Alexander at the Toronto Hair Transplant Surgeons. I'll be making daily videos for the next 30 days showing you my healing process and my hair transplant journey. I left the clinic yesterday with a bandage around my head covering the harvested area. So for me, the back of the head and the sides, and it wrapped around to the forehead there. It did not touch any of the implanted hair grafts. I was told to leave that on overnight and then take it off in the morning. I was also told to sleep on my back. Now, I am not a back sleeper at all. I always sleep on my side or my stomach. So, what I did to help is I put two pillows behind my head just to be comfortable, keep it slightly elevated. And I wedged a pillow on each side of my body just to help me prevent rolling over in the middle of the night. I was still quite numb when I came home yesterday, so pain was very minimal and my sleep was not bad at all. I would say I managed to get 4 or 5 hours, which was better than I was expecting, so that's good. So upon waking up this morning, I did take off the bandage as directed. I also was told that I was to start doing a 10-minute soak in the bathtub. Now, I do not own a bathtub in my place, I only have a shower. So I was directed to fill a spray bottle or a mist bottle with warm water and kind of do the same thing, just soaking the hair with that. I did notice it was starting to dry out before the 10-minute mark, so I was just kept reapplying that spray and repeating that until the 10 minutes was up. I did notice when doing that because the wounds are still quite fresh, there was a bit of blood and some discharge coming down, so I was just wiping that off with some gauze. I did also have a towel wrapped around my neck just to stop water from, getting my clothes wet or getting any sort of blood on my clothes. And speaking of clothes, you'll notice today I'm wearing a loose fitting shirt just so that I can easily put it over my head without touching the hair grafts. It's especially important the first days after a hair transplant, just be really careful with those grafts because they're so fresh. So I'm just going to kind of show you right now how everything's been going after day one. So turning my head to the side, you can see where the hairs were harvested on the side, and you can see where they were implanted at the top there, and here's the other side there. Yeah, so this is day one for me. I'll be sharing another video tomorrow, and day two is to come. Take care.